Hi everybody, I'm Mr. Mark, and today I'm going to unbox the tech package that NIS gave me this morning when I walked in the classroom. I have the Live Streamer Cam 313. I also have the Talk 25, the Jabra Bluetooth Earphone so I can walk around the room. I also have this power strip that looks pretty high tech, kind of cool. It's a 2-meter. They also gave me this device here to put your camera on top. They also gave me this extension here because I want to put my phone there. So I'm going to walk you through unboxing and setup. Let's get started. So this is the Live Streamer Cam 313. We're going to open it up and check it out. Inside you got a nice, beautiful camera. And I've read a little bit about these, and these are kind of nice. Let's see if I can get it out without tearing everything up. There we go. Inside the box we have the camera. Let's see, let's open it up, pull it out. Doesn't seem to want to come out easily, so be careful with that. And we have this right here. So I'm guessing the way it's set up, you can either connect it to a regular tripod with the screw at the bottom here, or you can connect it to your computer, your laptop, by setting it on top like that, just like that. So okay, and it looks like this moves a little, so you can set it up like that. Okay. All right, it's plugged up. All right, so let's see. Let's open up a Google Meet. And there are a couple ways to do the Google Meet. You can open up a blank page here and click in Google Chrome and select Meet. Or the way I do it for all my classes is whatever class it is. If it's whatever grade I'm teaching, I'll just open it up like this and go straight to the Google Meet. Once your camera is installed, start your Google Meet the way you normally start it for your classes. I start mine with Google Classroom. I click on the Meet link and it starts the Google Meet. Google Meet automatically finds your camera that you want to use. Click Join Now and you're ready to go. If Google Meet doesn't find your camera, you click on the More options. It's the circle with the 3 vertical dots, and you click Settings. Then you go find your camera. There's the Live Streamer Cam 313. Click on it and it should start. The other way to start a Google Meet is to go to the Apps Launcher, the Google Apps Launcher, and click Meet. Then either enter the code that you want to use, and the code only works within NIS, or just click New Meeting and then click Start an Instant Meeting. If you do it this way, you need to copy the address in the address bar and paste that in an email and send it to your students. And there you go.